In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate CodeSandbox with your Webflow site so that you can write custom code directly in CodeSandbox and see the changes live. Usually, if you only use Webflow, you will have to go to page settings, then paste the code here, and then you will have to manually save and publish every time you make some changes. And that's why I always use CodeSandbox for my GSAP animations, for my swiper sliders and so on, because I can live see the changes I make. And I don't have to manually publish the site every time. I'm inside my free CodeSandbox account and I'm going to click on the create button. And from here, I'm going to choose this JavaScript template and I'm going to give it a name. And then I'm going to set the visibility to unlisted. Then we can create a sandbox. Usually I use CodeSandbox to write JavaScript code for GSAP animations, for swiper sliders and so on. So I'm going to select the source folder and then I'm going to click this icon to create a new file and I'm going to give it the name of script.js. And inside here you can write your custom code. I'm going to copy now my code from Slater app and paste it inside here, and then I'm going to press Command S on my keyboard to save it, and as you can see it automatically formats all the code. And now to integrate this with Webflow, we'll have to go on the left side on the file we just created and then right click and copy relative path. Now on the right side, you're going to see this preview page. If you don't see it, just press this icon right here and then click on preview and it's going to open the same page. And now what you will have to do is paste here the path which just copied from our file. Again, if you right click here and then click copy relative path, you will get this slug and you can paste right here. Like this. So now you can copy this, and to check if you did everything right, you can just open this page in a new tab and then you're going to press yes, and as you can see right here, we can see the code we just written in CodeSandbox. So now I'm going to go back to Webflow. I'm going to go on the page where I want to paste the custom code from CodeSandbox. In my case is the home page. I'm going to go to page settings, and here at the bottom I'm going to paste the script tag with a source, and inside the source brackets I'm going to paste the link from CodeSandbox. Now I'm going to save this, but I'm not going to publish it, so we can test this right now. You can see if I reload the page, there's no animation happening, there's nothing happening, it's just my static page. But now I'm going to go back to Webflow and I'm going to publish the site again with the custom code from CodeSandbox. And now if I open the page, you can see my GSAP animation, it's working perfectly. And now if I make any changes to my code, let's say I want to only animate the heading text, I'm going to delete everything. Then I'm going to press Command S on my keyboard to save this. And now if I go back to my site and press reload, you can see only the heading is being animated. And this is why I use CodeSandbox to write all my code, because it's much faster than using Webflow and having to manually publish the site every time you make any changes. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down below.